Hi guys, I'm going to demonstrate on how to get $5 discount on Facebook share. We go to our store, 3D Printers online store. Then we go to the product page, my bots, products. Let's say if you are going to buy this product, switch on USD. On sharing this product page on your Facebook account, you will get $5 discount. Let me demonstrate. Most probably you will not have enough information on your Facebook, so you have to provide your shipping details in this form. Register now. There you go. Click share now button. Here you go. Share this product on your Facebook page. That's it. I will get a $5 discount. Now add this product to your cart. See, you've got a $5 discount to your Facebook share. If you have a Facebook account, you will get a $5 discount. It is as simple as that. Thank you.